I'm Jesse Boehm, and I'm back in the equipment showroom at Radmedix HQ to introduce our advanced U-arm, the Acuity UDR. We're very excited to have officially released this system, which utilizes features such as fully motorized auto positioning, seamless auto stitching, and intuitive stand programming sent directly from our integrative software platform. The Acuity UDR was developed for all radiography applications. Whether it's high throughput orthopedic office, an imaging center, or even a hospital, this system can do it all. With its compact form and small footprint, the UDR is perfect for locations that need advanced functionality in small spaces. Historically, it's been pretty difficult to achieve all this functionality and still fit in an 8-foot ceiling room. However, with our unique telescoping column and independent tube and bucky side movements, you don't have to worry about limitations caused by space considerations during movement like you would with a fixed arm system. And we pre-stage all of our systems with the specs you need versus paying for what you don't. So if you have the need to add AEC, a larger tube generator, or even plan to add auto stitching down the road as your practice grows, we can certainly do that. One of the main goals of this system is to eliminate bottlenecks by incorporating patient-focused and technologist-friendly features to improve overall clinical workflow. The UDR uses a servo motor-driven system which allows precise position recall down to the tightest tolerances with an ultra-smooth, repeatable movement. This system is able to be so quick and accurate because it uses simultaneous independent bucky and tube side movements during positioning. This also allows the technologist the ability to make incremental micro adjustments when using one of our positioning accessories such as the stitching stand or the weight-bearing platform without having to vary the OID. The UDR is driven by fully integrated APRs sent via the AccuView software, selecting the onboard positioning from the system console, or by using the included wireless remote control, which makes exam positioning faster and easier than ever before. And aside from just controlling the UDR's positions, our software platform also offers full generator integration, ensuring that the proper technique will be selected for whatever exam you choose. This system includes our proven Acuity line of detectors in a large 17x17 format, fully enclosed in the bucky housing, which eliminates the need to rotate the panel or the worry about dropping it. And our advanced automatic exposure detection technology equipped in these panels ensures reliable image capture at the lowest possible doses. Another feature of the U-arm and all of our other premium X-ray systems is the intuitive 10-inch touchscreen display console. This system's console controls the whole system while providing the technologist simplicity and ease of use right at their fingertips. The touchscreen allows for customizable pre-programmed positions for quick recall while in the room without even having to return to the workstation. So after you select your position, you can move the system by using either the bucky or the tube side positioning controls, or through the preferred convenience of the wireless remote control. The touchscreen is going to show you the preview of the next position that the arm is going to drive to when you choose a view in the software before the system moves at all. So this is going to limit any positioning errors and save the technologist's time. And unlike our competitors, the console has a full Windows operating system allowing for real-time remote diagnostics and servicing anywhere in the world. And we implemented this with the sole purpose of quick troubleshooting, minimizing any clinical downtime. The U-arm also comes standard with a dual laser LED rotating collimator for accurate positioning even in brightly lit rooms. It also comes with advanced safety features such as an emergency stop and sensors strategically placed around the U-arm itself that's going to keep the system from driving down into an object like a walker, a positioning device, or a wheelchair you may have overlooked, or even your patient. The U-arm also has a built-in storage tray for the grid when you need to remove it for extremities or other non-grid exams quickly. When using the Acuity UDR in a clinical setting where long bone stitching is required, our optional auto stitching package has got you covered. This feature allows full spine and long leg exams to be shot effortlessly with pinpoint accuracy in under a minute. Setting up stitching in the software is as simple as planning any other exam. All you have to do is plan an exam that's already been programmed to do auto stitching. And the software and the stand know, based on the number of projections in the planned study, how many images it's going to need to stitch. Then you press the move button on the remote control and the U-arm will drive to the first position. Next, you just adjust the stand to the patient's height and make the first exposure. The software is going to auto advance to the next shot in the sequence with the push of the move button on the remote. And the software knows exactly how far the stand has traveled, which allows for the auto calculation of overlap needed to seamlessly stitch images. When you're finished, the software automatically stitches all the images together perfectly into one image without the need for manual adjustments. This whole process can be done in less than 60 seconds. Minimizing patient motion during stitching studies is critical, which is why we offer a stitching stand that's easy to tilt and slide into position in front of the bucky. Its easy to grip handles keep the patient safe and prevent movement during the exam, and the built-in casters allow you to maneuver it into position with minimal effort. It has a slip-resistant base for added patient safety and is rated for 750 pounds. Certain exams are going to require the patient to be lying down. We offer our optional mobile table with independent locking wheels that can be used for a number of non-weight-bearing exams. And when you pair that with the U-arm, you're also able to obtain cross-table lateral shots due to the design of the arm that allows the table to pass safely between the bucky and the column. Another optional accessory when performing true weight-bearing lower extremities is our weight-bearing platform. Just select your preset position on the UDR for automatic movement and then move the stand over top of the bucky. It has an easy-to-use locking mechanism and a clear polycarbonate top rated for 500 pounds. Here at Radmedix, we're dedicated to providing you with all the tools you need to deliver exceptional patient care while achieving the highest quality diagnostic images. The Acuity UDR is the latest addition to our product portfolio geared toward automation, speed, and repeatability. We really feel like this system is going to take your imaging workflow to the next level.